It's your girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella. And yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below because I totally love to have you join me on my YouTube adventures. Okay, so I know you clicked on this video for one reason and one reason only, and that is to find out how to grow your eyelashes long and strong and not wear falsies. Because who's got all that time to wear falsies all the time? Like, I don't, that's for sure. So, okay, as we age, our eyelashes diminish and diminish and diminish. Or if you ever, actually, I'm gonna tell you what happened to me and how I found this trick. Okay, so I had to go to a baptism, and I wanted, like everybody does, the trend with the eyelashes. So I had gone to a nail salon and they said that they do eyelashes. They do eyelash extensions. So I said, okay, sure, let me try. So I did it. I paid them $40. I should have figured, because at $40, you get what you pay for. But it completely gave me an eye infection and ripped out half my lashes. And I was freaking out because I've always had pretty decent lashes. And I was like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? And they wouldn't grow back, and I tried to find everything. Okay, so first, let me show you I'm gonna pan in real close. These are my eyelashes, they're all real. If you can see there's my eyelashes. I'll look down. That's my eyelashes. Yes, I am wearing a coat of mascara, but my eyelashes are very long and I like them that way. Okay, and let's forgive the little bun thing happening here because anyways, I didn't have time. Okay, the first thing that you need in this is Jamaican castor oil. 100% pure, natural Jamaican castor oil. This is my bottle here. Yes, it's going to read backwards because that's how I film. I'm sorry, but I can't help it. Okay, so my brand is called Tropic Isles Living. That is the name, and it is Jamaican black castor oil. This thing is the key ingredients, but I mix it, and let me show you what I do. Okay, so you take Jamaican castor oil, vitamin E, okay, any vitamin E, and the vitamin E that looks like this, that you can squeeze out the little vitamin E like that. So I'll show you what to do with that in a minute. Okay, and pure virgin olive oil. Okay, extra virgin, pure olive oil. Be careful when you buy olive oil because some olive oils are not olive oil. They are olive oil mixed with other oils like sunflower and some other stuff. So I've seen that and I was kind of upset about that. But this is 100% pure olive oil. So you need Jamaican, black Jamaican castor oil and the pure stuff, vitamin E, and the olive oil. Okay, so you're gonna get yourself a old tube of mascara or whatever you have, or an airtight container. Okay, so whatever you have, and you need a spoolie. So like something like this, right? That you can apply it on your lashes. This also works for eyebrows, by the way. Just saying, if you're interested. But we're focusing on eyelashes today because it's kind of important. Okay, so what you do is you take 5 drops of the Jamaican castor oil. Okay, 5 drops. Now, what this does, this actually grows them, but it also makes them really, really dark because I'm a true blonde, like I'm a natural blonde, like if you can see here, my beautiful little blonde hairs. So this makes them dark, like it makes them really black. So 5 drops of this, 2 vitamin E tablets. And what you need to do is you need to poke a hole in the vitamin E with a safety pin or whatever and make sure it's clean and squeeze it out. And then 2 drops of the extra virgin olive oil. And the reason why, I'll tell you why. Because castor oil is really, really, really thick. Like it's a really super, super, super thick consistency. Let me take some out and I'll show you. Okay, see how castor oil is really, really thick? Okay, another FYI, the smell is not the greatest. But castor oil is really thick, and Jamaican castor oil is really, really, really thick. Like it has a really thick consistency, but it works really, really good. Guys, this is the thing I found the most. Okay, so how this works. I swear by this. I'm telling you, you do this for 30 days and you will have the best eyelashes in the world. You will have the most beautiful, like soft, voluminous eyelashes that are long and, you know, like just strong, and they don't fall out all the time. I mean, I know our eyelashes fall out like on a regular basis, but this really helps for that. Okay. So you mix your concoction in an old tubey thing, and make sure you have a spoolie, or you put it in a tiny little airtight container and keep it. You can keep it in the fridge. You don't have to. This is not something that needs to be refrigerated. I keep this on my vanity upstairs. So after you wash your makeup at night, you put like a layer of this on your lashes like this. So you just layer it up. Like you layer it up on the bottom and on the bottom here and underneath, like on this part. Make sure you do that part. Okay, so once you do that every night for 30 days. And after 30 days, I'm telling you, you have the best lashes. You absolutely have the best lashes. I challenge anyone to do this. If you need any more information or anything like that, leave me a comment. Okay, so now Jamaican, black Jamaican castor oil does grow hair. Like it does grow your hair a lot. For me, I did use it. It did grow my hair quite a bit, like a lot. Within a month, I probably had about almost 2-inch growth, which was huge. But the problem is now that I'm aging, I do dye my hair. My hair got really, really dark. And I find that this makes my hair even darker, which was hard to lift it to the color that I want, obviously, because I'm a blonde, right? Well, I used to be a blonde. Now I'm like, I don't know what kind of brunette. It does grow your hair. It really, really does, but it makes your hair dark. So if you're a dark-haired girl, hey, go for it. This will be awesome for you. I might do another video on how to mix the concoction and how to actually put it on your hair. If anyone's interested, leave me a comment down below. And yeah, that is it for this video. I know this video is really short and sweet, but I really, really wanted to share this tip with you guys. This works amazing. This is all natural. And guys, you all know that these serums cost a fortune. Like eyelash serums are really expensive. And I'm telling you, Jamaican castor oil, I think, well, I got this one at the beauty supply store. So you'll have to go to a beauty supply store that is geared to weaves and stuff like that. Like I wear weaves, so I don't care. Yeah, so you'll have to go to a store like that to find this, or maybe an all-natural food store. They might have it too. But the key is the Jamaican black castor oil, and it works amazing. Anyways, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give your eyelashes some love, okay? Try it out, 30 days. I dare you, try it out for 30 days, and you will see a massive, massive difference. I know my channel is mostly home decor, but listen, girls, I got a whole bunch of beauty tricks that I want to share with you all. So if you love makeup and you love beauty tricks and you love home decor, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.